So I have about $1,000 to arbitrage with every new month on this platform. Now let me look for the card that I want to use. I want to use this card. So I'll put the CVV of the card. So I'll be paying a total of 73.20 euros. So okay, you can see it's moving. I've been successfully debited, and then I've credited this account. So I'll click on done and then remove this, and then let's check it out. Okay, you can now see that I have 75.24 euros, and I'm going to be credited 49,000 naira. But if you check how much I was debited from, let me show you something real quick. If you check something out, the amount I was debited, this is, I used UBA for this. If you check how much I was debited, you will see that let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it quickly. This is it. This is the transaction. Yes, I was debited 40,750. Yes, and right now I am making what? 49,000.
Follow who no road, follow who no road. Follow who no road. Keep tickets. Follow who no road. Follow who no road. Get it wide. Follow who no road. My nigga, follow who no road. Get it wide. Follow who no road.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click on the red subscribe button and make sure to turn on the bell notification icon so any video I drop you get it once in your notification feed, guys. This is WATERFRED'S here again, and I teach things about arbitrage, buying and selling of fiat currencies, dollar, pound, euro, naira, and reselling them to make profits. Today I'm going to teach you a brand new method, and you are going to see me do this live and make profit. And we are doing this, of course, with our Nigerian debit cards, and you can do this actually from any part of the world with your own bank card. Okay, guys, without talking much, we'll be needing three platforms to do this, and we'll be doing this live. Number one, we'll be using a platform called Wise, which is formerly TransferWise. We'll also be using CRYTO.com. This method is different from what you know before. Thirdly, we'll be using Binance. Wise, CRYTO.com, and Binance. I'm going to do this live. I'm going to show you how you do this, and you will learn it and make profit from it. I discovered that a lot of people use phones for this rather than laptops, so I'm not going to be using the laptop platform for this. Rather, I'm going to be using the phone interface so that anyone who is using this can relate perfectly well to it. And I recommend you watch this video to the end, because I'll be leaving very amazing tips at the end for you to make more profit. Let's do this. So, guys, here we are. And the first thing that we are going to do is to open Wise. We'll be using Wise. We'll be starting with Wise. So you open Wise, formerly TransferWise. So once you open Wise, you will see that I have some money. I already funded with 10 United Arab Emirates dirham, and I have 2 euro here. Now I think the first thing I have to do now is to convert this money to euro, because we'll be dealing with euro. So let's click on UAE dirham, click on convert. I want to convert this to euro, convert it all. So it will give me 2.24 euros. So continue, convert. Got it. So right now you see I've converted it. We now have 0 dirhams and 4.4 euro. Now I have to add more money. I recommend when you are doing this, at least you do a minimum of about 20,000 naira worth of USD minimum, or 45k. That's about 50. I recommend you do $50 and above. Yes, $50 and above. So, but for this time we are going to do something like 17 euros. I added this 4.24 with a card, with a single card, and about $100 on a card is about 78 euros, 77 or 78 euros. If you subtract 4.4 from 78, you see we now have 74. Yeah, 74 point something. So now to play better, so I'll make sure it goes, I'll put in 71. Yeah, 71 will be fine, so that plus charges it is going to go through. So let's continue. I'm paying with euro, but I'm actually paying with NGN card. Now debit card. So I have about $1,000 to arbitrage with every new month on this platform. Now let me look for the card that I want to use. I want to use this card. So I'll put the CVV of the card. So I'll be paying a total of 73.20 euros. So Okay, you can see it's moving. I've been successfully debited, and then I've credited this account. So I'll click on done and then remove this, and then let's check it out. Okay, you can now see that I have 75.24 euros. So now that we have this 75.24 euros, the next thing that we are going to do is to send this money from here to crypto.com. And how are we going to send this money to crypto.com? Let us open crypto.com immediately. So I'll go to my apps and then I locate crypto.com. So now that we are on crypto.com, what we are going to do here is to locate my euro bank account details, because sending euro to euro is almost free. I mean, because it is within the eurozone and it's through the SEPA system, the charge will be very, very small. So how to locate my euro account details? I'll click on this middle part. I'll click on Fiat Wallet. I'll click on Transfer. I'll click on Deposit. And then I'm depositing, I want to deposit with euro. And then I'll click on Details. You will see my IBAN, my SWIFT code, my bank account name, the bank institution name, and everything. So what I'll now do is we'll copy my IBAN. Now that I've copied my IBAN, I head back to my Wise account. And then I'll click on Send. It will ask me, who are you sending to? You click on Add New Recipient. I'll click on myself because I'm sending to myself. And the currency I'm sending is euro. So I'll put euro. So I'll put the IBAN. This is the IBAN. And then I'll click on Continue. If I send 75.24, this should arrive in seconds and I will receive this 74.96. So I'll click on Continue. Now it will bring out the details for you to confirm. Now for you to know if this is correct, make sure you confirm the bank sort code. Go back to crypto.com and confirm the bank sort code that we have. Yes, and the bank name, everything is correct. So we just go back and click on confirm and send. So you see that it is going now. It's going now. Okay. Yes, done. So now if you refresh, you see that we got no money again in our euro balance. So right now we are done with Wise. We are now going to just wait a few minutes to receive alert on crypto.com, and from there I will tell you the crypto to buy and how to resell it by sending it to Binance to make profit.
My mama tell me say, but a friend follow who no road, because if you follow who no road, you go suffer so day you go die, you go waka so day you go die.
So guys, I just got an email. The money just entered now. After some minutes, you can see bank transfer received. So I log in. So you can see now that we now have 89.96 USD. Now to show you my transaction history. Yes, I click here and then let's still go back to Fiat Wallet, and then let's click on euro. You will see it, euro deposit via SEPA 74.96. This was just the transfer I made just a few minutes ago. Because on crypto.com my default currency is USD, it will always convert to USD and write here, but I still have euros there. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to be buying BCH, Bitcoin Cash, with this money. The reason why we are not going to buy Bitcoin, BTC or USDT or Litecoin is because the transfer fee, yes, the blockchain fee of those cryptocurrencies are too high. So it's going to take out a huge chunk of our money and we're not going to make profits. Now we are going to buy BCH because the transfer fee is very small, and we are going to send that BCH to Binance and we are going to resell it to Naira and make profit. So what are we going to do now? You click on this middle button and you click on crypto wallet and you click on buy. It will ask you which one are you trying to buy, and you click on the search button and you put BCH, which is Bitcoin Cash. Now we are on credit card. We're not buying with credit card. Neither are we buying with crypto wallet. We are going to be buying with Fiat Wallet, and we are buying with euro. You can click on max, just max here, and to tell you the amount of max you can buy. So let's click on it. The rate is always changing, so you have to watch out. And then you click on buy. Are you sure? Then confirm. Okay, we've purchased for 0.1033 BCH. The next thing that we are going to do is let's click here, and then we click on crypto wallet. Once we click on crypto wallets, and then you click on all coins, or you search BCH here, you'll see that we have what 0.1033 BCH, which is worth $89.83. So we are going to send this money now from this crypto.com to Binance. We are going to generate BCH wallet on Binance, and we are going to send this BCH to BCH wallet of our Binance account. And I go to Binance, and then once I'm here, what you're going to do is you click on wallet, and then you click on spot. And once you click on spot, you click on deposit. Yes, and then you can search BCH, or if it's already on your history, you put it BCH, which is what Bitcoin Cash. And then you can see the wallet address for us to send this crypto to. So let's copy it. Let's copy the wallet address. This wallet address, let's copy it, and then let's head back to crypto.com. So on this crypto.com now, we are going to click on what? Transfer, withdraw, and we'll click on external wallet, and then you click on add wallet, BCH. Also, we paste the wallet here. Then you can give it any name you want. So you click on what? Continue. So check your email. So right now I'm going to open my email and confirm this, so I can add this wallet to a whitelist before I can be allowed to send the Bitcoin Cash to it. Okay, new address added. You can see new wallet address added to your withdrawal whitelist. Yeah, so this is Ego Amaka 8. So right now this is BCH. Yeah, so what I will do is we'll click on what? Withdraw, and then I'll use max. Then the notes, you can just add anything. Then don't add any cryptocurrency. You can just say Ego Dima, so something quite unique. I like making it very unique. And then for reference purposes, you click on withdraw. Yes, are you sure you want to do this? And then confirm. Yes, your BTC has been submitted. So if you look at my phone screen now, you see that I've gotten a notification that I've successfully deposited some amount of money in my Binance. So let us head over to Binance right now and sell this for Naira and make our profit. So this is Binance, and once you're in Binance, let's refresh it. The first thing you do is where you click on wallet. So you check what we received on wallet, and then you click on spot. If you click on spot, you see our money. Our money is 102. You see it, the Bitcoin Cash we received is in there. You see it. So now to sell this, the first thing we have to do is to sell this on P2P. The first thing we're going to do is what? To convert this BCH to USDT. If we convert it to USDT, it's going to be easier for us to sell on P2P. So what we'll do now is we'll click on trade, and once you click on trade, you search BCH. You see BCH/USDT. BCH/USDT, because we want to convert it to USDT. So now that we are here, we are not trying to buy USDT, we are trying to sell. So you click on sell, because we have BCH already. So what you now do is you click on this 100% here. You click on 100%. Yes, we click on 100%. So you can see now that we have what? BCH, 100% of it. We want to sell 100% of it to get USDT. So we click on what? Sell BCH. You see success. Let us head back to wallets and let us refresh it. You can now see that we've converted we now have USDT 97.82 USDT. What we are going to do is, if you head over to P2P now, you're not going to see this USDT to sell on P2P. So this thing is still in our spot wallet. So what we have to do is to move the money from USDT, this money in USDT, from our spot to P2P wallet. Then we can now sell it for Naira. So what do? We click on transfer, and we are moving what? From spot wallet to P2P. You can see from to P2P. So now what we are trying to move is what? USDT. You search it. I've searched it before. So this is USDT. You click on max. So we are moving it. There is no fee. We are no fee at all. We are moving it to our P2P wallet. So you click on transfer. you safely transfer to P2P. So you can click on start P2P trading. So now you are here now. What you do is you click on this place and change it to what? NGN, Nigerian Naira, because we want to now sell to do what? To get what? Naira. You click on sell, and then from filter here you change it to those that are selling with bank transfer only and say yes. You will now see now you can now select those that are within the range of your money that you want to sell. We have 97 USDT, so that should be our 40 something thousand naira. So we'll look for people within that range. That's the minimum range of our money. Okay, you see this guy is selling 40,000 naira minimum. So when we click on sell and we select all, you will see that what we are selling what? Yes, we are going to sell what? 97 USDT. Yes, we are going to sell this for this amount. So the next thing you have to do now is just what? Select a payment method, which I've done, and you click on what? Sell USDT. Now guys, once you click on this sell USDT, the person is going to wire this money to your bank account. Now guys, you know there is a little thing that I didn't show you, or like I omitted in this video. That's why I say stick till the end. If you check how much I was charged, I'm going to be credited 49,000 naira, but if you check how much I was debited from, let me show you something real quick. If you check something out, the amount I was debited, this is, I used UBA for this. If you check how much I was debited, you will see that let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it quickly. This is it. This is the transaction. Yes, I was debited 40,750. Yes, and right now I am making what? 49,000. This. Yes, this is one method to sell this. Once I click on sell, now this guy will send me money and raise my crypto to him. But I'm not going to sell this method because the second method is even far more profitable than this method that I'm about to sell via. So guys, thanks for watching till this part. Thanks for watching till the end. So if you notice, you know that two major things I'm missing on this video, which are one, the 10 cards that work on Wise, which are going to give you $1,100 to arbitrage within a month. So and also the most methods to sell and get more profits at the end on Binance. So if you want to know those two things, message me on Instagram at WATERFRED'S. And please note that my course is a paid course. It is not a free course. Nothing good is free, guys. It takes days to make up these videos. It takes money to do these practicals, and most times it helps you not to make silly mistakes, and most times also it helps you not to lose, because I've actually done the practical myself and I didn't lose. So if you want to know these things and you want to know how I make money online and other ways which I make legitimate income passively online, message me on Instagram at WATERFRED1 and we will take it off from there. Thanks for watching once more. Thanks for always being here, and make sure that you always share my video on social media platforms. If you gained any value on this video, smash like and tell me what you feel in the comment section. Thanks once more for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace. Who they breathe? Peace out.